tingin ko ito ang dapat na interpretation. Ang unang-una, liwanagin natin na kahit bago pa yung Republic Act 105/92, mayroon ng sistema ng time allowance for good behavior. What the law did, Republic Act 105/92, was to expand the benefit. Dinagdagan ang number of days of credit for good conduct. However, the law also excluded from the benefit those who were guilty of heinous crimes. Now, so what is applicable in the case of Mr. Sanchez is the old law because hindi applicable sa kanya ang bagong batas. And under the old law, per our computation, he has only served 27.8 years because his actual confinement as a finally convicted prisoner is 20 years. Mula noong 1999 up to 2019. So 20 years. Mayroon siyang period of yung period which he was incarcerated as a detention prisoner, hindi binibilang yun in the old law. And therefore, under the old law, he's entitled only to a credit of 7.8 years plus his 20 years of actual incarceration. Ang total na na-serve niya is 27.8 years. And therefore, he has to stay in jail for another 12 years and 2 months and 4 months.